To install Xfinity Internet, start by gathering the necessary equipment, including the Xfinity modem, router, and power cords. Next, locate a suitable location for your equipment, such as a central area in your home with minimal obstructions. First, connect the modem to a power source and turn it on. Then, connect one end of the coaxial cable to the modem and the other end to a nearby cable outlet. If you have a router, connect it to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Now, connect your devices to the router using either an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. To activate your Xfinity Internet, go to the Xfinity website or use the Xfinity app to create an account and follow the activation prompts. During the activation process, you will need to enter the modem's MAC address, which can be found on the underside of the modem or on the packaging. Once activated, your Xfinity Internet should be up and running. To ensure optimal performance, place your router in a central location, away from walls and obstructions, and update your router's firmware regularly. Additionally, use a strong and unique password for your Wi-Fi network and consider enabling the WPA2 encryption protocol for added security. Finally, test your internet speed using the Xfinity Speed Test tool to ensure you are getting the speeds you paid for. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, contact Xfinity support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install Xfinity Internet in your home.